Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add sounds or any kind of music into your Canva project or Canva video. First of all, we want to go and create our own video. I already did by just making something very easy, and actually it's from the White Simple Mental Health template that I used. But as you can see, there's no audio playing, so we have to add something up. How we do that? We want to go to the left corner of our screen, and now it's here, but if it doesn't appear here, it's in those three dots. We can actually try it out, and we go to more, and there's audio. We press on audio, and there are all the songs that we can actually use. When there's this little crown, it's only for paid users or if you already have Pro, but you can choose from tons of free music. I personally like this ukulele song, so we just drag it in here, and as you can see, it's already playing. It also it will appear in both slides. So once you try and go to the bottom right corner to preview, as you can see, our video already has a song, and you know that you did a very good job by seeing this ukulele song icon on the left side of your preview. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.